Ever wondered why some people seem to lose weight effortlessly? The secret is consistency. Let's break it down. You see, consistency is the golden thread that weaves through every successful weight loss journey. It's not about making drastic, short-term changes that are hard to maintain. Instead, it's about small daily efforts that become second nature over time. It's about choosing the salad over the burger, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, getting enough sleep every night. These might seem like tiny steps, but they add up, creating a powerful momentum that drives long-term success. So, take a moment to reflect on your personal consistency. Celebrate your successes. Remember, every step counts, no matter how small it may seem. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be one of the most enjoyable parts of your day. Imagine turning your workout time into your me time, a space where you can have fun while also doing something great for your body. From dancing to your favorite tunes, to exploring nature with a vigorous hike, or even joining a group fitness class for some social interaction. The options are endless. The key is to find an activity that you genuinely enjoy, an activity that you'll look forward to. This week, why not try something new? A new form of exercise could be the spark that keeps your fitness journey exciting. So go ahead, lace up those dancing shoes or hiking boots, and discover a new way to stay active. When it comes to diet, balance is key. But what does a balanced diet really mean? Well, it's about providing your body with the right amount of nutrients it needs to function correctly. One effective approach is the 80-20 rule. This rule suggests that 80% of the time, you should focus on healthy, nourishing foods, while the remaining 20% can be flexible, allowing for some indulgences without guilt. This strategy encourages sustainable dietary changes rather than drastic, hard-to-maintain diets. To start, assess your current diet. Identify areas where you can make improvements, such as incorporating more fruits and vegetables or reducing processed foods. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Find your balance. Self-care is not a luxury. It's a necessity, especially when you're on a weight loss journey. It's an essential part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about what you eat or how much you exercise, but also about how you treat yourself on a more holistic level. Managing stress, ensuring you get enough sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy are all integral to your overall well-being. It's about creating balance in your life. So this week, let's make a pact to prioritize self-care. Schedule at least one activity that's all about you. It could be as simple as reading your favorite book, taking a long, relaxing bath, or indulging in a hobby you love. So take some time for you this week. You're worth it. And that's a wrap for day 10 of our 30-day weight loss challenge. Today, we've learned the importance of consistency, finding enjoyable activities, balancing your diet, and prioritizing self-care. Share your favorite strategies in the comments. Stay consistent, stay positive, and see you for day 11. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on your weight loss journey.